Hello friends, today I am making video of CBSE Standard 6. Let us start 6th standard first lesson, knowing numbers. Before start knowing numbers, we must know about numbers. All of us know numbers like 1, 2, 3, 20, 100, 99 and 4441. Like these are numbers. Now we will see types of numbers. Types of numbers. First type is even numbers. Even numbers means what? The numbers which is divisible by 2, it's called even number. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. Means here remainder must be 0. So next, second type is odd numbers. A number which is not even, it's called odd number. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. Now next type is natural numbers. The numbers which start from 1 and has no end. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinity. Next, whole numbers. The numbers which start from 0 and has no end. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 100. Prime numbers. Prime numbers means which has no factors other than 1 and itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11, so on. These all are prime numbers. Now next type is integers. Integers means in integers we combining all positive and negative numbers with 0. It's called integers. Now next point, comparing numbers. First, 67 and 6. Compare first digit. Here is first digit 6 and here first digit is 6. Means 67 is 2-digit number and 6 is only 1-digit number. So 67 is greater than 6. Now next, 45 and 70. Compare here first digit with next number. First digit 4 and here 7. Which one is greater? We know 7 is always greater than 4. So 70 is greater than 45. Now next, 241 and 197. 2 is always greater than 1. So 241 is greater than 197. Now 526, 599. Now compare first digit 5 here and here also 5. Both have same number. So compare next digit. Here is 2 and here is 9. We know always 9 is greater than 2. So 599 is greater than 526. Next number, 1900 to 1921. First digit is same. Second digit is also same. And now third digit. Third digit is here 0 and third digit is here 2. We know always 2 is greater than 0. So 1921 is greater than 1902. I think understood all these examples. In comparing numbers, always compare one digit to next number. Okay, now how many numbers can you make? Means what? Now we will understand. Suppose we have 4 digits like a 7, 8, 3, 4. Using these 4 digits, we want to make different 4-digit numbers. But no digit is repeated in them. Okay, understood? Now next. For example, 7834. Yes, this is a 4-digit number. This is 4-digit number. Now 7734. Okay, look at this. 7 is repeated in them, so this is not 4-digit number. Now, how to make greatest number and smallest number? Greatest number. In this 4-digit, which one is greater? Write down first. 8. After then, less than 8, which number? That number write down. After 7, which one is less number? That one write down. After 4, which one is less? That one write down. This is greatest number. Now smallest number. How to make smallest number? Which number is smallest? That one write down first. 3 is smallest number. Okay. After 3, which number comes? 4. After 4, 7. After 7, 8. This is smallest number. Now we come to the next point, place value chart. We learn from place value from standard first to still now. Take one example, 98765432 Always read from RHS. RHS digit is 1. So 1 put as ones, 2 put as tens, 3 put as hundreds, 4 put as thousands, 5 put as 10,000, 6 put as lakh, 7 put as 10 lakh, 8 put as crore, and 9 put as 10 crore. This is Indian system of number. Now we will see international system of numbers. In international system, we read as 1 ones, and 2 as tens, 3 as 100, and 4 as 1000, 5 as 10,000. But 6 is read as 100,000 in international system, and 7 is read as a million, means 10 lakh is read as million. Crore is read as 10 million, and 10 crore is read as 100 million. Don't confuse here, student. For lakh is read as here 100,000, and after 100,000 here comes million, 10 million and 100 million. This is our international system of number. Okay, now come to the next point, commas. We come to the next point, commas. Commas are very important in Indian system of number and international system of number. We take one example, 98765432 We always put place values from right. Means 1 as ones, 2 as tens, 3 as hundreds, 4 as thousand, 5 as 10,000, 6 as lakh, and 7 as 10 lakh, 8 as crore, and 9 as 10 crore. In Indian system, first comma we put after 100, means after 3 digit. Next, second comma we put after 2 digit. Next comma again we put after 2 digit, means after 10 lakh. From we will see how to put commas in international system. In international system, first comma comes after 3 digit and second comma comes after again 3 digit. Means in international system we know how to read these numbers. 1 is plus value is ones, 2 is tens, 3 is 100, 4 is 1000, 5 is 10,000, 6 is 100,000, 7 is million, 8 is 10 million, 9 is 100 million. Okay. Keep it in your mind, students. In Indian system, first comma comes after 3 digit, means after 100 plus, and second comma comes after 2 digit from the right, and third comma comes again after another 2 digit. And in international system, first comma comes after 3 digit and second comma comes again after 3 digit.